Hello everybody, welcome again to Mick's Lakeside Railway. Right, this video will be number 992. Before we start, I'd like to thank all the new subscribers and everybody that's still commenting, and also everybody that's gone on to my friend Phil, Charlmont Park layout. He's had quite a few subscribers now on there and some views, so I'd like to thank everybody that's taken their trouble and time to have a look at Phil's layout. It's coming along good. Did you notice also on his layout he's got a bridge identical to the one that I've placed on mine now? Only Phil found it first of all on eBay. He told me about it, and I saw that, I liked it, but I obviously bought the two because I needed bigger space to cover. So yeah, so once again, thanks to Phil, I've got my bridge, and they do look good. So yeah, thanks everybody again for jumping on his channel and having a look. Right, this one, video 92, what we're going to do today. First of all, another new loco. I'll show you a new loco, and I also purchased a few wagons from the Great Electric Train Show. Like to thank everybody that I met there. I was a bit late upstairs where the YouTube crowd all gathered, so I missed the Richard of New Junction, Everard Junction, Jenny Kirk, Underground Eric, and a few others I do believe were there. So sorry about that, but I was downstairs looking around, and then by the time I got upstairs it had all gone over. Whilst I was downstairs, I managed to bump into Peter Dixon. So great seeing Peter in person. His one's got another great layout, and also talking to Peter at the time was Tony Northeastern and Lumsdonia Timber Surf, and I'd like to thank him also for the bus shelter that he gave me, all painted up. That'll be on the layout soon. So yeah, the show was good. There was quite a few people there, but it wasn't heaving, it wasn't packed so that you couldn't get to the layout. So yeah, it was a good day. Like to thank everyone as well for still taking the trouble to view the layout. So get on with this one, and 92, so let's see how it goes. And also on the end of this one I've tried to do a clip in the night time, all the street lights and all the lamps on. I've tried it before, but if I leave it too dark all you see is dots, so I'm hoping this one's going to come out well, something to add to it, you know, for you to see, which I haven't done before. So right, let's get on with it and keep those comments coming, and thanks for all those who are going to subscribe. Thank you. Right guys, this is the one of the purchases that I got at the Great Electric Train Show, being pulled by a Helgian High-Mech. You don't often see me run this, if I ever do it. Right, this is what I bought. I bought a pack of the Acra scale Oppers Yeoman when I ordered like the wagon loads for the steel wagons. I made a mistake and I ordered an extra pack, so I had 5 over, so gave me an excuse to purchase another set. Got these at the Great Electric Train Show from Rouse, Sheffield. Done a little bit of weathering, on them. On the inside, a little bit of rust, just to take that gleam away, and then I shall probably do the wagons with a bit of track dirt a little bit later on. But yeah, this is what I've got so far. Right, let me show you the other purchase. Right guys, right, the owner plank wagons, I bought 3 of these up the show. The Raff Main, WR Davies and the Birch Coppice. I wanted another 3 to make a rate of 40, but not knowing what I've got sometimes, I actually found I had another box with another 30 of them buried away, so I've got a bit more than 40 now. But I wanted these, I got these 3 up the show, quite reasonable, between £7, £9.50. So I've got these, and this gives me a nice rake of these wagons. I'll show you this going around as well. Right, another purchase I've made, not at the show, but come from Hatton's in the week. Let me show you. Right, this is my other purchase. Another Hatton's 66. Quite like this new Freightliner livery. I was thinking of doing a repaint, but as this was £119 from Hatton's, I bit the bullet, and I've got this. Right, now with this one, I haven't had to do anything to the wheels or the bogies, and all I've had, whilst I had it on the rolling road, one of the axle boxes came off. Putting the decoder in on Sunday, I noticed I had a panel missing on the side. Now I'm not saying Hatton's lost it or whatever, but I didn't notice it until I took the body off to put the decoder in, found that this panel was missing. I'll show you the panel. Yeah, look, the axle box has come loose again. I'll take that off in a moment, and I'll glue that on before I get the thing running around. Right, this is the panel that was missing. What I've done is I had 2 side panels from the Dapol 68s. When I've done my repaints, I bought some new panels, so I had a couple of spares, and all I've done is I've cut them down. There's 2 of them there. I've cut them down, joint them up, bit of paint. Now you wouldn't notice any difference. So other than that, lovely logo again, Lego Man Biffo sound from DC Kits with the decoder. Crew inside from Model U, two crew inside, the driver and his mate with his leg on the dashboard. So I'll show you this running round with an extra long cement train. That please Peter. So we'll do this, and also once the light goes down this evening a bit, I'm going to give you a view of Lakeside in the dark. So hopefully that will go well. We'll find that a bit later on. So anyway, let's pull this, get this train away. And away we go. Half the wagons on the train are loaded, and the ones at the rear of it, or the other half, should I say, are empty. The old garret doing what it was made for. I haven't got the flashing light working in the back of the Yeoman wagon at the moment. I need a battery for it. It didn't come with a battery this time. Here comes the Garrett. Sounds good. I'm thinking of purchasing another one of these soon, but with the revolving coal bunker, I think, on the next one. Well, Peter, what do you think of that? Looks really good, especially coming across the old bridge. Right guys, lakeside at night. Trying to give you an overall view of what it looks like at night with all the lights. If I was to leave it any later, then you wouldn't see the trains. Right guys, lakeside at night. Never done this shot before. I'm using the GoPro Session 5 at 4K, and I'm just going to give you a look around. Got a few trains running around. TPOs are out being there Night times when they come alive. Platform lights slightly dimmer because they're 16 volts, they're Vestman lamps, whereas everything else is 12 volt. Just added another 4 lights to the layout. TPO going through. Right, this is where the TPOs do their work. Speed cameras going again. Driver speeding coming down the hill. Right. I look down inside the depot. Garage is all lit. Yeah, northwest up on its journey. Northwest up, going out. 4x47. Fitted some more lights now over the back at the parcel full step depot, so that's now all the light. This is the storage yard, turntable area, sheds. Right, here comes the garret. Northwest down coming through as well. That's the Class 90. There's your Garrett. Pulling the 39. Wagon, timber wagons. Well, I hope this comes out well. Please send in your comments. Right, I'll move you up and look at the traction depot. Alright, see if I can give you a bit of an aerial view. Just to show you how it looks. Right, tip yos are pulling into the office. Right. Right. Well, just a short video. Something I haven't done before. So, give me your comments. Much appreciated for all of them, good or bad.